What's the meaning of Catherine of Aragon? Catherine of Aragon. Catherine of Aragon.
Catherine of Aragon. Catherine of Aragon. Catherine of Aragon was a queen consort of England as the first wife of King Henry VIII. She was born in Spain and married Henry in 1509, but the marriage was annulled in 1533 due to her inability to provide him with a male heir. She was a devout Catholic and her refusal to accept the annulment led to her being exiled from court and eventually imprisoned. She died in 1536. Catherine's story is often seen as a tragic one, as she was a victim of the political machinations of those around her.